I'm attorney Melissa Isaac with the Isaac Law Firm, and the Isaac Law Firm focuses representation just for men. A large portion of our clients come in and they have questions about child support. So today what I want to do is go over how child support is calculated. The way that child support is calculated is there is a form, this is also on the website, this is called the CS42. This form, and we'll fill one out in detail, it lays out your gross income, the mother of your child's gross income, and the way the calculation is put in, it spits out a number, and that's how much child support you will either be receiving or you will have to pay. Remember, gross means before taxes. Now, if you know that you make $20 an hour, but you're not sure how much that is, you take $20 an hour times 40 hours a week. You take that number times 52, because there's 52 weeks in a year, and then divide that number by 12. And then that will give you your gross monthly income. All right, so the hourly rate times 40 hours a week times 52 divided by 12, okay? That's your gross monthly income. And if you know your spouse or former spouse or child's mother's income, you will need that too for this calculation, all right? So, just for demonstration purposes, let's say that you are the plaintiff in this case, all right, that you have custody of your child and you're seeking child support, all right? And let's put you at $20 an hour. All right, so we take $20 times 40 hours a week times 52 weeks, divide that by 12, and your gross monthly income is $3,466. So we're going to write that in the box that says plaintiff. Now let's say your child's mother makes $15 an hour. So we're doing the same thing, 15 times 40 hours a week times 52 weeks divided by 12, and that gives her a gross monthly income of $2,600. So you write $2,600 in the box that says defendant. But again, for purposes of this example, we're going to assume that neither party is paying child support or alimony in any other case. All right? So we have $3,466 for you per month, and for her, we have $2,600. Now, what we do is we want to get a combined income. So we take your income of $3,466 and we add her income of $2,600. So we have a combined income of $6,066 per month. Okay. Now we need to know what percentage of the $6,066 you earn and what percentage that your spouse or wife or child's mother earns. So what we do is we take the $3,466 and we divide it by the combined gross income of $6,066, and that is 57%. All right, we do the same thing for her. We take her $2,600 and we divide that by the $6,066 and we get 43%. All right, so what you make is 57% of the income and she makes 43% of the income. All right, now as we move to our guideline sheet, and we have to look at the combined income for $6,066. And let's say there are 2 children. So we go to our guideline form for $6,066, and the basic child support obligation for 2 children is $1,173. So we write that in box 4, $1,173. All right. Now, work-related child care costs. If you have children who are in daycare or after-school care, that is where this factors in. Now, be mindful that there are limits on this. If you have your child in private daycare and you pay $200 a week, the guidelines cap at how much daycare can be paid. Right? So we're going to say that one child is in daycare and one child is not. Now, $87 is the limit for this child, so we're writing $87 a week. Now, what you have to do is, that's $87 a week, so we have to do our calculation again. That's $87 times 52 weeks a year, divide that by 12, and that's $377 a month. Now you may have to adjust that. For instance, if the child is in after-school care and it's the $377 a month, but in the summertime they're in full-time care, you might have to adjust that number a little bit. All right? is you're going to add up boxes 4, 5, and 6. So we have our $1173, which is our basic child support obligation amount. We're going to add the $377 for the child care, and we're going to add the $200 for health insurance, and that gives us a total of $1,750. All right, so now we have to determine how much you're owed. So you take the $1,750 and you take that times the 57%. That is $997.50. So that would be the portion that you are responsible of the $1,750. All right. So we take her 43%. So we take $1,750 times 0.43, and that'll give you the 43%. And her portion is $752.50. Now, whoever is providing the health insurance, they get to deduct that $200. So let's say that you are providing the health insurance, so we're going to deduct that $200 a month from your side. Okay. So you take the $997.50 minus $200. If you were going to be responsible for child support, it would be $797.50. Her portion, since you are paying the medical insurance, remains $752.50. So, according to our calculation, with 2 children, you would be owed $752.50 per month in child support.